Have you cleaned behind your oven? I just pulled out our oven for the first time to see what was behind it, and it is pretty gross. You want to see? Are you sure? Oh my god. A rat trap. Gross. Look at this mess. That is so disgusting. First thing you want to do is try and move the oven as far as possible. Be careful if it's a gas line. Mine is an electric. Yeah. The next step is vacuuming or sweeping. Start sweeping the walls from the top down so that all the dirt goes directly to the floor. And then sweep behind the oven, removing any dust or dirt that may have collected in the vents. And then once it's all on the floor, start from the back and start sweeping towards you. And then create a pile of dirt so that you can sweep it onto the dustpan. Once it's all swept up, just go ahead and throw it in the garbage. Grab your bucket and start filling it with water. Drop a couple of drops of dish soap. Swish this solution around with your sponge. Use the sponge to start scrubbing from the top and work your way down. The floor is the last thing to scrub, so you'll start from the very furthest corner and work your way out. Take your surgical rag and go ahead and fold it. I always fold it because it's easier to see what side you're cleaning. And then take your apple cider vinegar and spray a generous amount. And then you'll want to start from the top and work your way to the sides and then down to the floor last, and then work your way out. So as you're cleaning from wall to wall, left to right or right to left, just start from the top and clean your way down, just as if you would, any surface. So start from one cabinet to the wall to the other cabinet, and then go to the back of the stove. And lastly, you'll want to clean the floor. So you start from the very corner of the floor and work your way out. The cord and plug also need cleaning, so take your rag with the apple cider vinegar and just give them a quick wipe and dry. As you can see in these before and after videos, it looks a lot cleaner behind the stove. Take the sponge with the soapy warm water and scrub the sides of the stove to loosen up the dirt. You can use the toothbrush with the soapy warm water to clean the crevices. Then I will take the Quad Zero steel wool pads that will remove any of that grimy, oily substance that's on the side of the stoves, so that later when I grab my surgical rag with the apple cider vinegar, it'll just wipe away. If you still experience buildup, you can use cooktop cleaner to wipe away any imperfections on the stove. And then you can go ahead and push the oven a little bit inwards towards the wall
enough so that you can reach and plug it in. If you would like to see more Eco Clean Queen videos, please click on the subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below with any suggestions or feedback, and I would love to make more videos for you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.